Welcome in microbiology information. Today we discuss Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Mycobacterium tuberculosis is a serious bacterial infection which mainly affect the lungs. Infection spread other than lungs is known as extrapulmonary tuberculosis. Infection mainly spread when infected person coughing and sneezing. During coughing and sneezing, millions of bacilli is spread in air and it is suspended in small droplets, which is known as aerosols. That aerosols have potential to infect other healthy person very easily. In this image, you see a small pink rod-shaped bacilli. This is the actual image of Mycobacterium tuberculosis after a stain by the Jaden stain method. Now the discovery. Robert Koch was the first reported in 1882. The causative agent of tuberculosis is a Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Now the fact. More than 40 million population infected by the tuberculosis. Out of 40 million, 3.2 million population are women and 1.2 million population are children. 1.4 million peoples are die in 2019 due to tuberculosis. But the TB is curable and preventable disease, so you don't worry. Now the morphology. Tubercle bacilli are slightly curved rod-shaped and their size is 2 to 4 micrometer in length and 0.2 to 0.5 micrometer in width. TB bacilli are easily stained by the Gill and Nielsen method. Now the cultural characteristics. After collection of the suspected patient, especially sputum, this sputum is inoculate on the Algae media. Algae media is known as Lowenstein and Jensen media. After inoculation on the Algae media, you put the slant on the 37 degrees Celsius and you watch after few days, approx after 2 weeks, if the Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacilli found in the suspected patient, the small creamy white colony appear in the slant. You can see in this image, this is the colony of the Mycobacterium tubercle bacilli on the Algae media. Now pathogenesis. It affects mainly the upper lobe of the lungs. Infected tissue cause lesion. Infected macrophage may be carried by the lymphatic system to the lung, lymph node, kidney, epiphysis of the long bone and other area of the body. The lesion undergoing necrosis and tissue destruction leading to cavitations. Now the symptom. TB patient, the main symptoms shown coughing, weight loss, loss of appetite, sweat, fever, shortness of breath, swollen lymph node, sometimes coughing with blood. This is the most common symptom shown in the TB patient. And one another things is found the tubercle bacilli. Actually, tubercle bacilli is an opportunistic infection. When the person is infected with HIV, in this case the immune system is very weak, and after weakness of immune system, the Mycobacterium tuberculosis is a very easily infect the AIDS patient, and the most of the cases death of AIDS patient is causing by the Mycobacterium tuberculosis. After infection is confirmed by the clinician, the 4 anti-tuberculosis drugs are available for the treatment, which is known as rifampicin, pyrazinamide, isoniazid and ethambutol. This anti-tuberculosis drug have capacity to eradicate completely the tubercle bacilli from your body. So you don't worry, after infection of the TB, you easily go for treatment with the help of this anti-tuberculosis drug by the consultation of your clinicians. Thank you for joining us our microbiology information on YouTube. Thank you.